In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off widgets on Windows 11. If you've noticed a small weather icon or a pane that slides in from the left showing news, stocks, and other cards, that's the widgets feature. Some people love it, but if you prefer a cleaner taskbar or you just don't use it, turning it off is quick and fully reversible. Start on your desktop or anywhere you can see your taskbar. Look for an empty space on the taskbar itself. Avoid clicking an app icon or the Start button. Right-click that empty area to open the taskbar's context menu. If you're using a touchscreen, press and hold for a moment to bring up the same menu. This ensures you're adjusting the taskbar itself rather than a specific app. From the menu that appears, click Taskbar Settings. This opens the Settings app directly to the Personalization section, focused on taskbar options. You'll see a clean list of taskbar controls, so there's no need to dig through multiple menus. Within this window, look for a section labeled Taskbar Items. This is where Windows 11 groups the main switches for elements like Search, Task View, and of course, Widgets. You should see a toggle next to Widgets. If widgets are currently on, that switch will be set to On, and you might even see the icon active on your taskbar. Go ahead and turn off widgets by clicking the toggle so it switches to Off. As soon as you do this, Windows removes the widgets icon from the taskbar and stops the left edge widget board from appearing. This doesn't uninstall anything or remove your data. It simply hides the feature and keeps your taskbar uncluttered. Now close the settings window and take a quick look at your taskbar to confirm the change. The widgets icon, often a weather indicator on the far left, should be gone. If you had the widget board open before, just close it and you'll see it won't reopen from the taskbar anymore. That's all it takes. If you ever want the widget board back, return to the same taskbar settings page and flip the widgets toggle to On again. It's a simple switch, so you can change your mind anytime without reinstalling or reconfiguring anything. Enjoy your cleaner taskbar and a distraction-free workspace, and feel free to customize the rest of your taskbar items in the same spot for a setup that works best for you.